Good afternoon, students. Myself Rajat Singh from Amrit Public School, your physics teacher. Student, today I am going to explain you about series and parallel combination of resistors. So one by one I am going to explain you. So have a look on the board. Okay. Here is the circuit of the series combination of the three resistor R1, R2, and R3. As we know that in series combination, current is constant in the circuit. So I is the current in the circuit, and the voltage is for resistance 1 is equal to V1, voltage is for resistance R2 is equal to V2, and for R3 is equal to V3. Now the total potential difference in the circuit is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Now according to Ohm's law, as we know that the potential difference is equal to current multiplied by resistance. So V equivalent is equal to I into R equivalent, V1 is equal to IR1, V2 is equal to IR2, V3 is equal to IR3. Now put all the four values in equation number first, we get that IR equivalent is equal to IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. By taking common from I from right side, it becomes I in bracket R1 plus R2 plus R3. By cancel out I from both sides, it becomes R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. This is the formula of resistance in series combination. Okay. Now for parallel combination, the circuit is made here. In parallel combination, the voltage is constant for each and every resistor, but the current is vary for each resistance. Means current for R1 is equal to I1, current for R2 is equal to I2, and current for R3 is equal to I3. So in parallel combination, the current I equivalent, the total current is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Let us suppose that it is equation number 1. Now according to Ohm's law, I equivalent is equal to V by R equivalent, I1 is equal to V by R equivalent, I2 is equal to V by R V by R1, and I2 is equal to V by R2, and I3 is equal to V by R3. Now put all this value in equation number first. So we get that V by R equivalent is equal to V by R1 plus V by R2 plus V by R3. Now by taking common from the right side we get that V in bracket 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. By cancelling V from both sides, it becomes 1 upon R equivalent is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. This is the formula for the parallel combination of the resistors. Now student, if all the value of the resistors are equal, means here there are n resistors are connected and all the resistance have same value, then the R equivalent 1 upon R equivalent is equal to, the formula is between 1 upon R plus 1 upon R plus dot n times. How many times? N times. So the formula is become 1 upon R equivalent is equal to L by R. By cross multiplication, we get that R equivalent is equal to R by N. This is the formula of equivalent resistance when the circuit, when all the resistors are value are equal and they are connected in parallel combination. Now if all the resistance which are connected in series whose values are equal, Then what is the formula? R equivalent is, as we know that in series combination the R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. If all the values are equal, then R plus R, how many times? N times. The formula is become R equivalent is equal to NR. This is the formula of equivalent resistance when all the resistance are connected in series and whose values are equal. Okay. Now the the further topics I will explain in next video. So thanks and have a nice day.